Hey everyone, today we are making pistachio gelato. Though technically, it is a sorbet. The nuts are a source of naturally abundant fats which give the silkiest and creamiest texture. And the beauty of it is that you could use any nut, pistachios, hazelnuts, pecans, walnuts. If it's a nut, you can turn it into ice cream in this recipe. For our nut gelato, we can use any type of nuts. We want to take water or any plant-based milk, put it into a blender, along with sugar, a pinch of salt, and today I'm using pistachio paste. So this is just pure, smooth pistachio paste. You can use any nut or nut butter. If you are using whole nuts, you're welcome to use water, and you're gonna make essentially your own nut milk. If you're using a smooth nut butter, this recipe comes together really easily. It's just a matter of blending everything together. If you're using whole nuts, give them a light toast to get some really good flavor, and then just blend them all together as I've done now, but then pass the whole mixture through a nut milk bag. So we're just blending everything together. This base works in any batch freezer or ice cream machine. Today I'm using a PacoJet type device. So I'm just freezing it solid in the freezer overnight and then churning it. So if you're using a conventional ice cream machine, you only need to chill the base until it's fridge temperature. You pour it into the ice cream machine and churn according to manufacturer's instructions. Today I'm using a PacoJet or a Ninja blending type machine. That's just because it's what I have, but it'll work the same way. The recipe freezes and it's very stable. So I've poured my mixture into this container and it's frozen rock solid. So it's taken overnight to do that. So I'm just putting the lid on. It has a blade in the top which is going to drill down into the ice cream. So I'm just churning as an ice cream. So this lovely ice cream texture. But I like to just get down the side there because the blade goes about 2 millimeters from the edge. So I just go in there and release it from the edge. Oh, but that is looking good. So just going to respin that one more time. Moment of truth. Now, look at that. I could just eat this straight out of the tub. It's incredible how such an indulgent product can be made from just 4 ingredients and a couple of simple methods. It is clean, it is pure, and it's so freaking creamy.